Welcome guys, thank you. For the first time, we feel a Huawei Lite has been treated better than the usual repackage and the discount routines. Instead of borrowing the dual glass design from the flagship Mate 10s, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite sticks to be a traditional aluminum unibody and we are fine with that. Near 6 inch of an 18:9 full view screen should be enough to make the light as the relevant in the mid-range as its premium mates are in the top tier. Yet Huawei took the extra mile and included some of the premium imaging experiencing you get in the flagship Sense and the RT monochrome shots. So the light front is the mostly screens for being standout features of the seasons. The 5.9-inch IPS display looks punchy with the plenty of resolution and should be capable enough of providing a multimedia experiencing. Huawei Mate 10 Lite packs a 5.9-inch IPS LCD with an 18:9 in a line with the flagship 10 series mates. Huawei make a big deal for the Mate 10 Lite sporting 4 cameras and technically that's not an overstatement. True, the secondary 2 megapixel shooter serve purely and the depth sensor in the portrait and the number of custom picture modes. They can help in the low light scenes, but those pro grade effects seems to be highly sought after the making them available on a light is a smart move on the Huawei. Guys, we are also expressed that the Mate 10 Lite specs that almost missed a few changes since the P10 Lite. For starters, the cheapest might never, but it drops the 5G Wi-Fi ports in the favor of never Bluetooth 4.2. Go figure, the FM radio and the NFC are good too, while the hybrid SIM slot is an acceptable, if not the best solution. Still, we are looking at the mid-ranger here. The Mate 10 Lite packs more enough punch so that it could be the excited. We like the minimalist screen that the clean design and the Aurora Blue paint job is sure to turn heads. The super wide screen and the bokeh effects are enough as well. We will hold that the Mate 10 Lite is to promise a long battery life. Indeed, we have a lot of explore.